Okay, subscribe to keep up with the YouTube AI Keno community. Watch this video to the very end for the best set of winning AI Keno numbers. Yes, play longer at Keno and win more often. Okay, let's start with the lower quadrant of the Keno card. As you can see, this double win is already in progress. Note where the Keno numbers are and write them down for your next Keno game. Mixing AI Keno numbers with your lucky Keno numbers will keep you playing all day. Many of our subscribers leave comments below when they are winners with these Keno numbers. Okay, let's go on to the next set of Keno numbers. Okay, upper right quadrant of the Keno card is one of our favorites. Here we play everything from 4 spot through 10 spot. Don't miss out. Subscribe for all our free Keno numbers. Okay, more live casino play. Let's look at one of the oldest winning 4 spot Keno numbers we have. Okay, the B card is the 4 out of 4 winner here. The new Google Gemini AI is now responsible for these AI Keno numbers. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, we will help you keep up to date with the current Keno numbers. Write them down. Okay, let's move on to another 4-card Keno machine. Okay, slot players, tired of losing at Frankenstein? Try this next lucky AI Keno 4-spot and be a winner at Keno. Yes, play longer and win more often with AI Keno numbers and strategies. Subscribe and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Let's check out this next lucky 4-spot. Slot players, the sound you hear is the sound of money. Just for fun, try Keno again. All right, the winner is the A card. These two AI Keno numbers have worked well in 2024. Write these Keno numbers down for a good time at the casino. Okay, yes, time for more live casino play. Let's move on to yet another 4-card Keno machine. All right, I know something new like AI Keno numbers can be creepy, but like your first big win in the casino was a lot of fun, your first big win with AI Keno numbers will put a smile on your face. Subscribe and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Let's check out this next lucky 4-spot already in progress. All right, AI Keno numbers are consistent. Same 4-spot, same day, different machine. I told you, play longer and win more often. Write this 4-spot down. Win at Keno. Subscribe for the latest AI Keno numbers and strategies. Also, just have fun. Beginners. Yes, beginners. Subscribe now for more AI Keno strategies, advice, hacks, and free AI Keno numbers in these 2 videos. Watch another video and join the YouTube AI Keno community. Okay, see you next week.